How to reverse image search. Firstly, reverse image search is a technique for finding other images that are similar to a given image. Step 1. Choose a reverse image search tool. The first step is choosing a reverse image search tool. There are several options available, including Google Images and TinEye. For this guide, we'll use Google Images, one of the most popular tools. Step 2. Go to Google Images. Open your web browser and go to Google Images by visiting images.google.com. This is where the reverse image search magic happens. Step 3. Upload your image. Click on the camera icon in the search bar to initiate the reverse image search. You can either paste the image URL or upload the image directly. Today, we'll upload an image from our computer. Step 4. Select the image to upload. Choose the image you want to reverse search from your computer. Click Open to upload the image to Google Images. This step is essential for the search engine to analyze and find similar images online. Step 5. Wait for Google to analyze the image. Once uploaded, wait for Google to analyze the image. The search engine will provide results based on visual similarities, helping you identify the source or find related information. Step 6. Review search results. Google will display a list of search results related to the image. Check for information about the image source, related websites, or any other relevant details. This step can uncover hidden details about the image. Step 7. Use reverse image search on mobile. Reverse image search is not limited to desktops. Most search engines, including Google, offer mobile-friendly versions. You can access them through your mobile browser or use dedicated apps. Step 8. Refine your search queries. If your initial results aren't conclusive, refine your search queries. Add more descriptive terms or keywords to narrow down the results and find the most accurate information about the image. Step 9. Save and share results. If you find valuable information, consider saving or bookmarking the results. You can also share the information with others if needed. This step is useful for reference or sharing insights with colleagues or friends. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to reverse image search like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital tips, and let me know in the comments if there's another online skill you'd like me to explore.